Are you tired of being told that you need a large amount of money to invest in real estate? Well, I have some good news for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to invest in real estate with no money down. That's right, you don't need to have a ton of cash or a perfect credit score to get started in the world of real estate investing. One of the most popular ways to invest in real estate with no money down is through a lease option because it allows you to control a property without actually owning it. This can be a great way to test the waters of real estate investing without committing a lot of money up front. The process of a lease option works like this. You find a property owner who is willing to let you rent their property with the option to purchase it in the future. You will then negotiate a rent-to-own agreement with the property owner. This agreement will typically include a higher-than-market rent, and a portion of that rent will go towards the purchase price of the property. Once you have the lease option agreement in place, you can then sublet the property to a tenant. The tenant's rent money can then be used to pay the property owner and cover any expenses associated with the property. This can be a great way to build equity in a property without having to put any money down yourself. One of the benefits of a lease option is that it allows you to control the property and make any necessary improvements or repairs. This can increase the value of the property and make it more attractive to potential buyers in the future. Another strategy is to partner with another investor who has the money to put down on a property. You can bring your expertise and hard work to the table and split the profits with your partner. This way, you can invest in a property without putting any of your own money down. You can also invest in real estate through crowdfunding platforms. These platforms allow you to invest in a property with as little as $500. You will own a small percentage of the property and will receive a share of the rental income. You can also look into government-backed programs, such as the HUD Good Neighbor Next Door program, which allows certain individuals, such as teachers and first responders, to purchase HUD-owned homes at a 50% discount. Lastly, you can invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts, which is a type of security that invests in real estate and allows you to invest in a diverse portfolio of properties without actually buying a property. Investing in real estate with no money down is possible. You just have to get creative and think outside the box. I hope this video has given you some ideas on how to get started. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more real estate investing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.